TV apisas mag Obila sub-county ma Keiyo North ondhiyo katon mar michiel gi 50 mag andiwo kanyakla gi packets 104 mag ndawa ma ok opodhi kati mohala ma Iten. Kaluwore gi jalup komishona makono Julius Maiyo ne gido lipot kuom jopiny ewi mwandugo ma ok opodhi. Maiyo kumano koni andiwogo ne ochwal e apisi mochung' ne rango rang'iny mondo pacho ka KEBS ibiro timnegi nonro.
Following a tip-off from the members of the public, we carried out a raid in one of the bars in Iten, namely Aslaba, and we found a total of 150 cartons of what we believe is second-generation brew or contraband goods, 604 packets of cigarettes that are meant for export. We also found 5 lotto machines. We were able to confiscate. The boxes were not labeled. And those boxes that were labeled, the contents of those boxes were different from what was contained in the box. And it did not have the standardization mark of the Kenya Bureau of Standards. We have not really ascertained, because we were with the Director of Alcoholic Drinks Control in Elgeyo Marakwet, and we have not ascertained whether that license is genuine or not.